If you guys have been keeping up with the channel, then you know I did a video a while back on tech geared towards fitness. I gotta get big! Well, wasn't that real cute? Right, but not quite. It's more about practical items that are tech related and can help you shed a few pounds. For example, in that video, I talked about this. This is the Nokia Steel HR. It's a smart hybrid watch. Now I'm gonna have a full review on this watch coming up, and if you don't wanna miss it, make sure you click that bell icon down below so you can be notified whenever that video drops. In this video, I'm gonna give you my top 3 favorite features of the Nokia Steel HR. Now, don't you think that it would be best to read them off the disclaimer before you continue on with the video? This video contains paid product placements for Nokia. Nokia also provided the Steel HR that can be seen in this video. Despite Nokia sponsoring this video, all the thoughts, opinions, and emotions expressed in this video solely belong to me and me only. Also, I don't see how auctioneers can talk as fast as they do. Now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and kick it off with my first favorite feature. The design of the Nokia Steel HR is class, at least to me. It steers away from the traditional George Jetson looking smartwatch and brings some modern technology to the classic watch. With a nice stainless steel casing, thick glass for protection, a single button for menu navigation, swappable bands, infrared heart sensor, and a non-digital watch face. That's right guys, non-digital, as in real ticking and swooping hands. The Nokia Steel and Steel HR feature the classic analog watch face, something that I personally miss. I mean, I know you can download watch faces for smartwatches, but it's not the same as having a classic watch face. The Steel HR features a standard clock and a smaller analog area at the bottom. That smaller area actually shows you how close you are to fulfilling your daily goals. At the top, you'll find a small circular LCD that will give you your daily stats such as your heart rate, the amount of steps taken that day, the distance walked that day, amount of calories burned that day, and your current alarm if you have one set. You also get incoming call and text alerts, which is nice. Plus, thanks to the ability to switch out these bands, I can match the Steel HR to whatever I'm wearing, no matter the occasion, and it's not gonna stick out like a sore thumb. I know this isn't unique to the Steel HR, but it's still a great addition nonetheless. Okay, that's great and all, but something that pretty can't be that durable. The Steel HR is waterproof and can survive depths up to 165 feet. It can also remain functional in temperatures between 14 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be stored in even more extreme conditions than that. So yeah, the design is on point, it's really durable. Let's talk about my second favorite feature. Battery life! Now there's only one word that can actually describe the battery life on the Steel HR. It's epic! Nokia claims the Steel HR can get 25 days of normal use on a single charge or 5 days in workout mode. Plus, you'll get an additional 20 days when in power reserve mode. So hypothetically, let's just say I went to London for a week. Would I need to bring a charger? And don't lie to me, boy. Well, I mean, I was in London about a week ago for 5 days. I left on a Monday, came back Friday evening. When I left on that Monday morning, my Steel HR was at 78%. When I came back Friday evening, it was at 62%. I'd say that's pretty good. Yes. No. Seriously. Smartwatch battery life is not great. Getting 2 to 3 days on a single charge is a blessing. I understand that smartwatches are doing a lot more than what the Steel HR can do. However, some of that stuff isn't even practical. The Steel HR does what I want, when I want it, and it gives me the battery life to make sure that I get it. All right, other than sounding like an infomercial, I'm pretty impressed. But I gotta know, what's your third favorite feature? Nokia actually has a pretty good sized ecosystem when it comes to their health related devices. They range from the Steel series to smart scales, air quality monitors, thermometers, sleep trackers, and blood pressure cuffs. Hold up, you mean Nokia, as in no Kia makes all that other stuff? Yep, Nokia has a wide range of other products, but I feel like the ecosystem just starts there. I know this video is about my 3 favorite features of the Steel HR, but I look at Nokia's products with the Steel series included as cylinders to an engine. Do you need them all to get up and go? No! Right. But the more that you have, the faster you can get where you're going. So if the Steel HR and all these other products are like cylinders to an engine, what exactly is the engine sitting in? Well, that's where the HealthMate app comes in. The HealthMate app is a central hub that connects all of the other products together. It collects all of the information seamlessly in the background and stores it so you can view your health information all in one app. You can compare your current sleeping habits to previous nights, view your up-to-date weight information, and even enroll in one of Nokia's programs without ever leaving the HealthMate app. So really, if the Steel HR and Nokia's other products are just cylinders to an engine, then the HealthMate app is the vehicle itself, tying everything together, collecting all of that information in order to give me the tools that I need to accomplish my set goals and also get me to the destination that I want to go. Nailed it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, show your support by hitting that thumbs up button. And while you're down there, go ahead and turn on those notifications by clicking that bell icon so you can be alerted when new videos drop. If you're new here, stick around by subscribing. If you have any questions on the Steel HR or just health tech in general, leave it down below in a comment and I'll make sure I respond at my earliest convenience. If you absolutely can't wait, hit me up on social as I'm more responsive over there. Plus, some things are about to pop off that you're not gonna wanna miss. And of course, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Moving downhill like a slalom, ain't nothing nobody can do to stop them. I line them up and then we rock them. We shut them down and then they jock them. Hey, yeah, we started from the bottom. Hey, yeah, now it's easy for you to